the way to Ras Al Khaimah, Ras Al Khaimah, Ras Al Khaimah. This is the way to Ras Al Khaimah, all through the town. So, si Marcos, hayang. Sarap mag-drive dito, tapos set mo lang yung car mo. Pilipinas, mahirap gawin yun eh. Hindi ka na magagas. Kaset na siya ng 120. Then, umapak ng gas. Alright. Dito ka.
Nag-desierto.
Ganda ng ano? Ganda ng masjid. Masjid. Yeah, and now, malapit na tayo, malapit. Papasok na tayo sa Al Marjan Boulevard. Second exit. Matubig yung banda. Sa harap niya maano. Al Marjan Island. Here we go. Ay, ganda. Dito tayo. Opo, nandito tayo dito.
Malawang pas tayo.
Mga diretso pa oh. Ano ba ito? Al Marjan Island. Wow, where are you? It's your birthday. Oh, yeah. What's that? Huh? Sit down. There you go. Oh, the birthday boy is crying. Hello to our room. Wow. And this is the washroom. It's just a washroom. Cabinets. Ooh. Oh, slipper. Yung slipper. And dito yung mga... Uy, sabi yan ng mga bata. Here's the ref. Hi, Papa. Magpa-apple. Wow. Balikan kita dyan, mahal. Dito muna ako sa room. You had a big glass here. Mirror. Yeah, maganda yung view. Dito muna tayo sa room. There's a pool. Did you see a pool? Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow. Papa and Mama there. Marcos and Maxine here. What did you watch? Ooh, saya ninyo, ah. You love the bathroom? Let me see the bathroom. Oh, there you can swim here. Where you can swim? Oh, nice one. Oh, you can swim there with Marcus. Wow. Wow, Marcus. Wow. Then we go back to Papa. Where are wow, look at our view. Beachfront. Is the back. Dito kami sa likod. This is the view. Ito yung view namin pag nasa room tayo, no? Super nice view here. Going to the Turtle Beach.
There's so many turtles.
Hey guys, our hotel is there, and then they're walking here because we're going to the Turtle Beach. Where's Maxine?
Ayun yung ano nila. Club car.
Maxine na yan. One, two, smile. One, two, smile. Marcus. Yan si Marcus. Hi, handsome. Look at Mama. Tomorrow again. Guys, the first time we're trying. Hello guys, for today's video, feeding mayaman kami. Hello day! We are the day that we are rich today. I'm gonna show you. This is our view. Today, we are rich day. Yeah. Hi guys. Birthday, Marcus. Ang perfect. Wow! Wow, sarap. Ang sakit mo papa, oh. One, two, smile. So, drama boy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yummy.
Bigyan ko siya ng gagawin.
Hello, ate. Say hello, ate. What's ate? Hello, ate. Hi daw. Dapat mga video, mama. Hey, mama. Hi. Wow. Happy birthday. Dapat papa video, papa. Yan si papa video. Hi, papa. Hi. Hi, papa daw.
Papa.
Huh? 1, 2, 3. Gusto ko na.
Ate?
Yung pala, hindi si ate. It's from Japan, from Sasha. Breakfast with Heavy, good morning. Very good. Hi. Yakin.